Welcome to Part 8, the grand finale of the OpenAlgo Python SDK tutorial series. This video covers market intelligence and utilities, 11 remaining functions across 5 categories, market data with multi-codes for batch OHLC retrieval, symbol intelligence with symbol lookup, search, and the full instruments master, options, utilities including expiry dates, and synthetic future calculation, market calendar with holidays and trading timings, and alerts and analyzer with Telegram notifications and analyzer mode toggling. Let us explore each one. The multi-codes function fetches OHLC and volume data for multiple symbols in a single call. Pass a list of dictionaries, each with symbol and exchange. The response returns open, high, low, last traded price, previous close, ask, bid, open interest, and volume for every symbol. This is far more efficient than calling quotes one by one. Use it for watchlist dashboards, scanning multiple instruments, or portfolio monitoring. One API call, all the data you need. The symbol function returns detailed information for a specific instrument. Pass the exact trading symbol and exchange. You get back lot size, tick size, expiry date, instrument type, freeze quantity, broker exchange mapping, and the exchange token. The search function is the reverse. Pass a keyword query like Nifty 26,000 FEBCE and an exchange. It returns a list of matching symbols with full details. Use symbol for precise lookups when you know the instrument, and search for discovery when you are exploring. The instruments function downloads the complete instrument master for an exchange. Pass the exchange name like NSE, NFO, or MCX. The response is a pandas data frame with columns for broker exchange, broker symbol, exchange, expiry, instrument type, lot size, name, strike, symbol, tick size, and token. This is the full universe of tradable instruments. Use it for building symbol databases, filtering by instrument type, or preloading data for screeners and scanners. The expiry function returns all available expiry dates for a symbol. Pass the underlying, exchange, and instrument type as options of futures. The response is a list of expiry dates sorted chronologically, from nearest to farthest. The synthetic future function calculates the synthetic future price from the options chain. Pass the underlying, exchange, and expiry date. It returns the ATM strike, the calculated synthetic future price, and the current underlying LTP. Synthetic futures help identify option mispricing and cash futures arbitrage opportunities. The market calendar functions help you plan around trading schedules. Holidays returns all trading holidays for a given year. Each entry includes the date, description, holiday type, and which exchanges are closed or open on that day. Some exchanges like MCX may have special timings on certain holidays. Timings returns exchange trading hours for a specific date. The response lists each exchange with its start and end time. Use holidays to skip non-trading days in your backtests and schedulers. Use timings to dynamically adjust your strategy's active hours. Here is the code for both calendar functions. Call client.holidays passing the year as an integer. The response includes 14 trading holidays for 2026 with details like Republic Day, Holi, and Diwali. For timings, pass a date string. You get back each exchange with its operating hours. NSE runs from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. MCX runs from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. and CDS runs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. These vary by date and holiday schedule. The Telegram function sends alert messages directly to your Telegram account via the OpenAlgo platform. Pass your OpenAlgo login ID as the username and the message text. The response confirms whether the notification was sent successfully. Use this for trade alerts, error notifications, strategy status updates, or any event you want to be notified about instantly. No need to set up your own Telegram bot. OpenAlgo handles the delivery for you. The analyzer functions let you switch between live trading and simulation mode. Call client.analyzer status with no parameters to check the current mode. It returns whether analyze mode is on or off, the current mode string, and the total number of logged operations. To switch modes, call client.analyzer toggle with mode equals true for analyze mode or false for live mode. In analyze mode, all orders are simulated and logged but never sent to the broker. Use this for paper trading, strategy testing, or debugging without risking real capital. Here is the complete OpenAlgo Python SDK map across all 8 parts. Part 1 covered SDK setup with place order, place a smart order, quotes, and funds. Part 2 was a deep dive into place smart order. Part 3 covered options trading with options order, multi-order, option chain, and option Greeks. Part 4 covered WebSocket streaming. Part 5 covered historical data and technical indicators. Part 6 covered real-time stop-loss and target monitoring. Part 7 covered portfolio and order management with 11 functions. And Part 8, this video, covered the final 11 functions for market intelligence and utilities. That is the complete SDK. The analyzer mode is a powerful safety net. When enabled, every order you place goes through the full validation pipeline but is never actually sent to the broker. Instead, it gets logged with a simulated response. This lets you test your entire strategy end to end, including order placement, position tracking, and portfolio views, all without any financial risk. Switch to live mode when you are confident. Switch back to analyze mode whenever you want to debug or test new logic. Congratulations! You have now completed the entire OpenAlgo Python SDK tutorial series. All 8 parts cover every function in the SDK, from basic order placement to advanced market intelligence. Visit docs.openalgo.in for the full API reference and detailed documentation. The complete example code is available on the OpenAlgo GitHub at github.com/marketcalls/OpenAlgo. Whether you are building automated strategies, monitoring portfolios, or analyzing markets, OpenAlgo gives you the tools. Thank you for watching the entire series. Like, subscribe, and share with fellow algo traders. Happy trading!